Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a rice water video. It is my first time creating the rice water recipe, but I've heard so many great reviews about it. I've had the hair paint in my hair for about a week and 3 or 4 days now, and I wanted to go ahead and get it washed out, and I figured now would be the perfect time to use the rice water. Now, like I said, it is my first time using it, so I'm kind of just going to be freeballing the ingredients. So you know, you can make changes or make adjustments as you see fit or as you see, you may need. So I have our brown rice. Doesn't matter which brand that you use. I also heard that it doesn't matter which type of rice that you use. So I chose to use brown rice because this is the type of rice that I had here. So I'm going to be using my brown rice. I also have a measuring cup, and I also have a Rubbermaid container and a lid, and this is what I'm going to sit the rice water in. So I'm going to start with the rice. I know I've seen some people say to rinse it off before you use it. I really don't rinse rice off, but I'm going to rinse it off first, and then I'll go ahead and put it in the bowl and then add my water. So I'm going to be going for a cup of rice. So as you can see, I have 1 cup of rice in here currently. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water over it, get it rinsed out, and then we'll come back and finish everything up. Okay, so as you can see, I filled it up to right under 2 cups with water on top of that rice that was already in there. I just used room temperature water and just enough to go ahead and get it rinsed out. As you can see, the water's a little murky, so we got that cleaned. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it. This is what it's gonna look like after I get it rinsed out. Still have it right there, about 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my bowl. Now I'm gonna add about 3 cups of water on top of the rice that I have now in this container. So here I have my 3 cups of water. I'm gonna take and add 3 cups of water over this. All right. I got it contained, and I'm gonna let this sit here in this bowl for about 2 hours. I have heard that it has a really stinky smell, so I don't really know much about that, but I guess we'll see once we get the top of it. All right, y'all, so I had to get it changed into a bigger bowl because the other one I had was leaking. So I went ahead and got it switched out into a bigger bowl, which is still fine. I still have the same measurements of water and rice. Everything is still the same. I just dumped it right over into a new one. Like I said, we're gonna still let it sit for 2 hours starting now, and then we'll come back and check on it.